Manila, Acapulco Galleon Trade. And for 200 years, yung Philippines po yung naging trade link ng two continents. So from Mexico to Manila, 3 months po yung biyahe nila if you look that blue line. And then pabalik, 6 months. So haba, no? Grabe ang hassle. So a lot of food that we now take for granted, for example, chocolate, guava, avocado, pati po chili, all of these were originally from Latin America. But thanks to the sacrifices po and bravery of Filipino seafarers during the Spanish period, we're now enjoying it all the way. Kasi yung mga galleon ship like this one ay minamando po, pinapaandar, at higit sa lahat ginagawa po nating mga Pilipino. So gawang Pilipinas po ang galleon ship. So may marker na po yung National Museum sa Cavite and sa Bicol, if I'm not mistaken, kung saan siya ginagawa before. So very, very important siya na segment of our history. So ganun kahalaga po tayo as a nation during the Spanish period by linking two continents po. So galleon trade na concept. Kasi sa history class, para siyang segment lang but at least here we have a deeper context. So may I ask kung sino po sa Titanic na po ng movie dito? So ang dami pala. Kabisado pa ata ni Sir yung kanta, pati yung high fish na. So this is yung tool na ginamit doon ng captain to relay information or command doon po sa chief engineer sa baba. So yung binilisan nila na nakita ng iceberg for if you remember. So a ship is typically divided into two sections, captain sa taas at chief engineer sa baba po. So captain yung gumagamit na itong telegraph to relay command sa chief engineer. So ito yung lumang model dating back to early 20th century. Right now, iba na yung design, but the principle of division of work remains the same pa rin naman. Here we have Morse code here, chart divider, and we have chosen all of these items to showcase po the precision demanded for the seafaring profession. So, yun yung pinapakita natin. Ito rin kasi yung mga inaaral ng students po right now. Moreover, in there po, may makikita kayong diorama of the Port of Manila. So, sa left side, Intramuros, and right side is Binondo. So, dyan po kinakalakal in that area yung mga goods from the galleon trade. Showcasing yung strong connection natin to the sea and how it links to our modern day very layout of our sea. So, ganun kaganda po yung storya ng maritime natin. Okay po. Sige po. So, everyone, move lang po tayo sa may likuran. So, medyo mabilisan lang po ito po. At least you can go to the museum afterwards before we go downstairs. Opo. So, ito po sa likod, meron po tayong sextant. So, medyo nakakatawa po yung pangalan niya. So, sextant po is a tool na ang basis is yung stars po, sir. Tama po. So, if you watch the movie Moana, may scene po na gumaganon-ganon siya sa stars. So, yun po yung area kung saan inaaral nila yung stars and horizon. And to do that, to know your location using the stars and horizon, the equipment used for that is the sextant. So, very, very crucial item. So, hanapin lang yung North Star or Polaris. Tapos, chart reading, malalaman na po yung location. So, maraming content po. Sige po, ito po yung nakakatuwang item natin. Sir, pwede siyang paikutan. Sige, pwede po. So, this is our 100-year-old ship steering wheel. So, mahigit 100 taon na po ito. At pwede siyang paikutan first hand to experience yung... this was from the collection po of Captain Ricardo Murillo po. So, may ship siya na po mismo. So, pwede siyang paikutin para po ma-experience gano'ng kabigat yung steering wheel nung araw po.
Saan niya ata yung ship?
Sa Titanic ba? Wala ba niya iceberg?